Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you, do you want to buy a gift card on StockX? Let me walk you through the simple steps to actually buy a gift card. And if you have one too, you'll learn how to actually add a gift card as well. So what you want to do is hover over your account on the upper right and simply go to wallet. Under this section, you have buying, right? So you have your total buying power. That's what they call it. Now, just simply click on view towards the lower right. And here you have the option to buy a gift card. So simply click on buy a gift card. And here you will be able to see the gift cards. You can choose them, right? You can choose the amount as well. So if you want one for 250 or you want to add another account, whichever you choose, you can go ahead and simply choose the amount that you want and you will be able to simply purchase the gift card as you wish. So as you can see here, you also want to select the amount. So if you want a gift card for $100 and you want to use this design or whichever, right? Just go ahead and wait for it to quickly load after selecting that gift card. Then select your amount and then click on checkout. And you'll be able to purchase this gift card. Now, alternatively, if someone already give you a gift card, just simply go to the upper right and simply click on wallet. And you want to click on view again, but this time click on add a gift card. Enter the gift card number on the pin and then click redeem your gift card. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.